What happens when you eat flax seeds every day? Due to extensive health benefits, flax seeds are considered to be one of the most powerful plant foods on the planet. According to the experts, it may help reduce your risk of stroke, diabetes, heart diseases, and even cancer. The cultivation and use of flaxseed goes back in history as early as 3000 BC. It seems that flax seeds are prized for their health protective characteristics. In this video, let's discover what happens when you eat flax seeds every day. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of our amazing videos. Before we move to the benefits of flax seeds, let's have a look at their nutritional properties. Flax seeds are considered to be a rich source of alpha-linolenic acid ALA, which is a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3 fatty acids are believed to prevent cholesterol from being deposited in heart vessels. Not only this, but a single serving of flax seeds, typically 1 tablespoon, is loaded with protein, fiber, vitamin B1, vitamin B6, folate, calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and many other vital nutrients and minerals for your body. It also contains lignans, which are believed to have amazing estrogen and antioxidant properties. That's quite a long list of nutrients for such a tiny seed that's been around here for centuries. Now let's have a look at the amazing health benefits that come along when you eat flax seeds every day. Number 1. Flax seeds may reduce the risk of cancer. One of the most amazing benefits of eating flax seeds every day is that these seeds may reduce the risk of cancer. According to the studies, the omega-3 fatty acid in flax seeds, that is ALA, have tumor-inhibiting characteristics. Moreover, lignans present in flax seeds may also provide additional protection against cancers. Some studies show that lignans may have the ability to block enzymes that could be involved with the growth and spread of cancer cells. Number 2. Flaxseed may have the ability to fight cardiovascular diseases. Some studies show that flax seeds may also contribute to fight cardiovascular diseases. It is probably due to its antioxidant properties because of the presence of ALA and lignans. Not only this, but amazingly, the presence of omega-3 fatty acids help to normalize the heartbeat and thus exhibit blood pressure lowering abilities. When you eat flax seeds daily, it can reduce the LDL, commonly called bad cholesterol. This bad cholesterol is believed to be the reason behind cardiovascular diseases. So, we may say that having flax seeds daily in your diet can keep your heart healthy. Number 3. Flax seeds can reduce the chance of diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is considered to affect around 6% of people globally. Scientific studies suggest that adding only 20 grams of flaxseed powder to a daily diet could drop the chances of you suffering from diabetes by 8 to 20%. Isn't it amazing? These diabetes-fighting abilities of flax seeds probably come from insoluble fibers present in them, which could slow down sugar release in blood and may reduce blood sugar. Number 4. Flax seeds can reduce inflammation. Alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, is shown to reduce inflammation in humans according to some studies. Flax seeds are loaded with ALA and therefore help fight certain inflammations associated with asthma and Parkinson's disease. These inflammation-fighting properties may also be associated with the reduction of plaque buildup in arteries, thereby reducing the risk of strokes and heart attack. Number 5. Flax seeds may help with digestion. The presence of high fiber content could be the reason behind the digestive properties of flax seeds. Therefore, eating flax seeds daily might also promote bowel movements and resolve constipation issues. Some studies also suggest that soluble fiber present in flax seeds can slow down the process of digestion and consequently can control blood sugar levels. You are thinking about eating flax seeds every day from now on, aren't you? Number 6. Flax seeds could be the solution to overweight. If being overweight is a huge problem for you, then flax seeds might be helpful. When you eat flax seeds every day, the soluble fiber content in flax seeds can help you feel full. The soluble fiber is considered to slow down digestion by stimulating hormones that control appetite. This could prevent you from feeding on snacks and burgers, which could be the reason behind your obesity. See? Problem solved. Number 7. Flax seeds can be a great source of protein. Flax seeds have been found to be rich in proteins, amino acids, aspartic and glutamic acids. Therefore, many experts consider this seed to be a good alternate to plant or animal protein meal. Other studies suggest that having flax seeds every day also helps improve immune function and even antifungal properties. We can conclude by saying that you can have the benefits of protein without being afraid of getting obese by including these tiny seeds in your daily diet. Number 8. Flax seeds could reduce hot flashes. New studies show another yet amazing benefit of flax seeds. Modern research on a small scale suggests that using 20 grams of crushed flax seeds twice a day could reduce the frequency and intensity of hot flashes in women as low as 50%. So, flax seeds can be considered for helping with symptoms of perimenopause in women. Number 9. Flax seeds may give you vibrant skin. Another amazing benefit of flax seeds, particularly for women, is that using flaxseed oil on skin has been found to reduce skin roughness and scaling. Flaxseed oil may also lead to a significant decrease in skin sensitivity and improves skin hydration, thereby giving a smooth, glowing, and vibrant skin. So, if you are going for an expensive skin treatment or creams or supplements, try considering flaxseed oil, and you might be amazed at the results. So, this is what happens when you eat flax seeds every day. You can stay immune, you can have a healthy heart, improved digestion, supple skin, and you can stay healthy with loads of nutritional compounds in this tiny seed. One more thing. These amazing benefits can be maximized by using crushed or grounded flax seeds. This is probably due to the reason that flax seeds are likely to pass through your intestines without being digested. Using crushed or grounded flax seeds shall increase the chances of absorption of nutrients in the bloodstream. Moreover, flax seeds are heat and light sensitive and are more likely to break down when left in air and light. Try to store them in a cool and dark place. Grind the seeds up in a grinder, sprinkle them on oatmeal, salad, or cooked veggies, and enjoy all the perks of this useful seed. We hope you liked the video. If so, hit the like button and share this useful video with your loved ones. Also, if you have any questions or comments regarding flax seeds and the amazing benefits of eating flax seeds every day, do let us know in the comment section below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more entertaining and informative videos. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.